moon is one of the most familiar objects in our night sky, yet it remains one of the most misunderstood. We see it almost every night, glowing softly above Earth, appearing calm and ordinary. But behind this peaceful appearance lies a world filled with bizarre, mysterious, and sometimes unsettling characteristics. The moon behaves in ways no other moon in our solar system does. And its relationship with Earth is so unique that scientists still debate how it even came to exist. In this video, we will explore the strange properties of Earth's moon, from its unusual size and silent surface to its gravitational influence, ancient scars, and hidden mysteries. By the end, you may realize that the moon is not just a companion in the sky, but a cosmic anomaly that has shaped life on Earth itself. One of the most bizarre characteristics of Earth's moon is its size compared to its planet. The moon is about 1/4 the diameter of Earth, which is extremely large relative to its host planet. Most planets in the solar system have moons that are tiny compared to them, but Earth and the moon form something closer to a double planet system. This unusual size ratio affects Earth in profound ways. It stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, which keeps our climate relatively stable over long periods of time. Without the moon, Earth might wobble dramatically, causing extreme climate shifts that could make life far more difficult. Scientists believe this abnormal size hints at a violent origin story, possibly involving a massive collision billions of years ago. Another strange feature of the moon is that it always shows the same side to Earth. No matter where you are on our planet, you never see the moon's far side directly. This phenomenon is known as tidal locking. The moon rotates on its axis at exactly the same rate that it orbits Earth. As a result, one hemisphere permanently faces us, while the other remains hidden. For centuries, humans believed the far side of the moon was permanently dark, which is not true. It receives just as much sunlight as the near side. However, its surface is very different, with fewer large dark plains and more rugged terrain, adding to the moon's mystery. When early astronomers looked at the moon through telescopes, they saw dark regions and believed they were oceans. These regions were named Maria, meaning seas. However, the moon has no liquid water on its surface. These dark areas are actually vast plains of hardened volcanic lava formed billions of years ago. The fact that the moon once experienced intense volcanic activity surprises many people, especially since it is now considered a geologically dead world. These ancient lava flows preserve a record of violent events from the early solar system, making the moon a time capsule of cosmic history. One of the strangest discoveries about the moon came during the Apollo missions, when astronauts intentionally crashed spacecraft modules onto the lunar surface. Instruments detected vibrations that lasted for hours. Scientists describe this phenomenon by saying the moon rang like a bell. This suggests that the moon's interior is extremely dry and rigid, unlike Earth's interior, which absorbs vibrations quickly. Some scientists believe the moon may have a partially hollow or highly fractured interior structure. While this does not mean the moon is literally hollow, it does indicate that its internal composition is very different from Earth's. The moon's gravity is only about 1/6 that of Earth. This low gravity affects everything on its surface, from how dust settles to how astronauts move. In Apollo footage, astronauts appear to bounce slowly, almost as if they are floating. Low gravity also means the moon cannot hold a thick atmosphere. Any gas released on the moon quickly escapes into space. This lack of atmosphere contributes to extreme temperature changes, ranging from blistering heat during the day to freezing cold at night. The moon experiences some of the most extreme temperatures in the solar system. During lunar daytime, surface temperatures can rise above 120 degrees Celsius, 250 degrees Fahrenheit. At night, temperatures can plunge to minus 170 degrees Celsius, minus 274 degrees Fahrenheit. These dramatic changes occur because the moon lacks an atmosphere to trap and distribute heat. This harsh environment makes survival incredibly difficult and adds to the moon's alien nature. One of the moon's most powerful influences is its control over Earth's tides. The moon's gravitational pull causes Earth's oceans to bulge, creating high and low tides. These tides play a crucial role in marine ecosystems and may have even contributed to the evolution of early life. Without the moon, Earth's tides would be far weaker, potentially altering the course of biological history. This invisible connection between Earth and the moon highlights how deeply intertwined the two worlds are. The moon is not completely inactive. It experiences moonquakes, which are much weaker than earthquakes, but can last longer. These quakes are caused by tidal forces from Earth and temperature changes on the moon's surface. Over time, the moon has also been shrinking slightly, causing cracks and cliffs to form. These features reveal that the moon is still slowly evolving, even after billions of years. Scientists still debate how the moon formed. The most accepted theory is the giant impact hypothesis, which suggests that a Mars-sized object collided with early Earth, ejecting debris that eventually formed the moon. However, some lunar rocks share an almost identical composition to Earth's crust, raising questions about this theory. The moon's origin remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in planetary science. Despite being dry on the surface, scientists have discovered water ice hidden in permanently shadowed craters near the moon's poles. These regions never receive sunlight and remain extremely cold. This discovery has enormous implications for future human exploration, as this ice could be used for drinking water, oxygen, and even rocket fuel. The moon may seem familiar, but it is anything but ordinary. Its massive size, strange gravity, silent surface, and mysterious origins make it one of the most bizarre objects in our solar system. More than just a companion to Earth, the moon has shaped our planet's climate, oceans, and even life itself. As humanity prepares to return to the moon and possibly build permanent bases there, we may soon uncover answers to questions that have puzzled us for centuries. Until then, the moon remains a silent guardian of Earth, watching over us from the darkness of space.